Hi everyone, welcome to our weekend getaway vlog. Today we are driving from Bangalore to Sakleshpur and we have booked Rosetta Resort. The map shows one pit stop almost halfway, about 1.5 hours from the city. Weather is beautiful, trees are lush, and it's a perfect road trip day. First target, cross the Gorguntepalya junction. These two signals are the main ones between us and the open highway. Beyond this, we get onto the elevated highway and then a bunch of toll roads, hoping for a smooth ride. Here's the first toll booth. Traffic is manageable for a Saturday. After the toll, there's a brief slowdown. Some vehicles are stalled on the road, but we navigate the stretch and take the exit towards Nelamangala Cross. We take a left onto the National Highway, often called the Bangalore Highway. But no, we are not driving all the way to Bangalore today. Speed slowly picks up, city is behind us, long open stretches ahead. This time of year, everything is green. The monsoon has just wrapped up. Cloud-filled skies, excellent roads, and a relaxed drive. After about 1.5 hours, we reached Drutare. It's around 11 to 11:30 am, late morning rush, a bit crowded. The place looks pretty new and decently maintained. There's a kids' play area at the entrance and a few shops. We get a nice seat with a lawn view. Breakfast service is closing, so we move to another section. I order idli vada, which was quite decent. My son orders pineapple juice, a bit salty. Maybe some garam chaat masala in there. Then he asks for puri, and to our surprise, he eats all of it. He is clearly excited for the trip. The star here, though, is the filter coffee. Even in a paper cup, it tastes awesome. Washrooms are exceptionally clean. There are small shops where you can pick up chocolates and other items. With that, we continue our journey. The highway stays smooth till the Hassan bypass. Construction is still going on here. Speeds drop a lot, and at a few points, traffic comes to a standstill. Once we cross, the new stretch towards Sakleshpur is fully concretized. It's quick, but not as smooth as asphalt. Expect a lot of tire noise, and yes, more tolls. Final stretch. We take a right towards the resort and say goodbye to the National Highway. We enter the village limits. It's much calmer and you'll notice sloped roof houses, classic village style. The next road is narrow and concretized with coconut trees along the sides. If a vehicle comes from the opposite side, you have to swerve left to let them pass. The greenery gets thicker. Road edges aren't always clear, so we drive slow and honk on blind curves. We are just 2 minutes away. There's a small lake on the left. Sun and clouds playing hide and seek, perfect weather. One slightly tricky crossing comes up, cameras down, careful steering, and we are through. We spot tall silver oak trees, and beyond them is our resort. We drive to the main entrance gate. On the left you can see there is an open parking area. No worries, valet will park the car after check-in. At the gate, they verify our booking and then allow us inside. The entry is welcoming, lots of tree shade and coffee plants on both sides. At the lobby, we see electric buggies. I park the car and walk to reception. We get a warm welcome, cool wet towels first, a sandalwood tilak and then a welcome drink. Check-in is done. While we wait for the buggy, we look at some anthuriums kept for sale. Our buggy arrives, luggage is loaded and off we go to our accommodation, the Robusta Rooms. Staff are friendly and explain the place around the resort as we pass. Pool, lake, restaurants and activity areas. Coffee plants everywhere, silver oaks everywhere. My son is having a gala time. Feels like he's driving the buggy. We reach our room. Tap in, bags inside and just look at this view. The room is big and feels luxurious. Plenty of open windows. To the left, a comfortable sofa. A dressing mirror, kettle and cups. The beverage setup is full. Coffee, tea, green tea, herbal tea with more options below, including milk powder. Washrooms are very neat with a rich look, stone sink, dental kits and shaving kits are there. Combs are not available. There's an indoor shower plus an open to sky shower area with shampoo and conditioner. I'm definitely trying that open shower. Privacy is fine unless some wildlife is silently judging your shampoo. Toilets have a proper partition. There's a safe for valuables, umbrellas and an ironing board. The bed is a good size. 2 adults and 1 kid can sleep easily. AC is smooth. There's a flat TV, a work desk and menus for in-room dining. Outside, the sit-out faces the plantation, coffee plants and shade trees. One note though, this open sit-out connects across the row of rooms, so it's not 100% private. Still, it's perfect for coffee, a book or a quick nap in nature. We call buggy services again. First timers, be ready, this place is a maze. The map they provide is there but not very helpful. For lunch, we head near the theatre kitchen area. Lots of people are checking in, but the spread is excellent. Live counters, continental, South Indian, North Indian, Asian options, soups, salads, and a special dessert section. I try salads first, fresh and tasty. Then chicken kebab, some chili fish, naans, and a few more items. Dessert time. Marshmallows dipped in the chocolate fountain. Honestly, I could keep eating the chocolate forever. Post lunch, we go for a short walk and reach the pool zone. There's a kids' pool, the main adults' pool, and a bar. There are dedicated shower areas and a semicircular stone hut near the deck for a quick shower. We move to the baby pool. My son is hesitant at first. The water is cold, but soon he is in and enjoying. The infinity pool overlooks a huge lake. The weather is perfect, just the right amount of sun. We explored the lake area on the walking paths. At one point, whoa, my kid slips and falls. All good, nothing serious. Just then, a duck feeding session starts. They give us puffed rice. The ducks rush in and gently take it from our hands. There are fish too, and we are allowed to feed them. Simple and super fun. Next, we join the guided nature walk into the estate. The trail is unpaved and a bit slushy from recent rains. Feels wild in a good way. Our guide shows different trees and plants and explains their uses. We get to smell, feel, and even taste a few samples. Cicadas are loud everywhere. The whole vibe gives Kantara forest feels.
You hear this noise all around, no? So this is an insect which is making it. This come little further, it will come little further. Branching, you can see that plant emerging out there. A separate plant there. So that is of the orchid plant.
We come out and walk to the Navilu Suit areas, which is across the Amish vegetarian restaurant. We take a look there and then stop for high tea at Amish. Snacks, biscuits, tea and coffee. I go for the Robusta filter coffee again, pretty decent. After that, we head back, exploring the lakes and suits on the way. The pathways are really beautiful. I am sure early mornings here will be amazing for bird watching. Night falls and the resort looks beautiful with all the lighting. At the activity center, there's a Tambola night. It's crowded and lively. We play, have fun, but no prizes today. But good vibes. There's an indoor kids play area, slides and a ball pit. Great for toddlers to burn energy. Plus, there are 2 badminton courts, and upstairs there is a table tennis and a pool table too. It starts drizzling, we call buggy services again. This place can feel like a maze, but if you enjoy walking, you will love it. For dinner, we chose Merchant of Spice restaurant just above the theatre kitchen. They bring complimentary salads and we order in a watermelon juice. Chicken starter is really delicious and the salads are fresh. We also order in some Long Island iced tea and pina colada. Good night. Before everyone wakes up, I step out for a walk. The coffee estate is wet with mist, so soothing. They have a dedicated jogging track and the sun is about to break through the clouds. Fresh air, quiet paths and beautiful scenes. I carry my Pentax birding binoculars, which is great for this place. I spot a few nice birds but don't capture them on camera. Also see some wild spiders, flowers and lot of ferns. This area feels like the most pristine part of the resort. If you are into nature and have a long telephoto zoom lens, this is the spot for great shots. Near the duck pond, many ducks are sleeping, tucked in like pillows. Another group already in the water. They see me and start following, probably expecting food, so I make a quick exit. They look disappointed but still follow for a bit. Breakfast is at the same all-day dining restaurant. The spread is huge. Fresh fruits, cereals, Indian items and live counters. We eat well, return to the room to relax a bit, and then it's time to check out. Overall, a wonderful stay. If you're planning, try to book at least 2 nights. You will feel properly relaxed and enjoy the hospitality. We only had the weekend, so we start back. On the way back, we stop at Empire Kunigal branch for lunch, quick and reliable. And after that, it's straight back to our ordinary lives in Bangalore. Thanks for watching. If this video helped and gave you the right amount of information, please comment with any questions. I'll try to answer. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.